When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag recipes with me Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare banana fritters. These banana fritters taste very delicious, and we can eat these banana fritters in the morning section or evening section as a snack. Come on, let's start the process and check out the recipe. Take 3 bananas, make it into a smooth paste and take it in a bowl. Add half cup of powdered sugar, half cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of rice flour, 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut powder. Add baking soda. Add required amount of salt. Mix everything. Add little milk and mix everything. Batter consistency must be like this. Once oil gets heated, now drop the banana fritters one by one into hot oil. Fry it on a low flame. Once we get this color, we can switch off the stove and transfer these banana fritters into a serving plate. Now top these banana fritters with powdered sugar. That's all, the banana fritters was ready. Try this recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In the next episode, I am going to prepare Kashmiri dum aloo curry. Don't miss it. When we upload videos, for instant notifications, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag recipes and click on the bell icon.